model, 67 Plate Citroen Relay Enterprise Fridge Van 2.0 starts runs needs head gasket 69k miles Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 69,409. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, air con,